If you are new here, welcome. My name is Anja. I like relaxation. I like pretty things. I like beautiful living. And if those things interest you as well, go ahead and let's be friends. No, seriously, subscribe to my channel. Let's be friends. But overall, I hope that everyone is well, fantastic, healthy, and blessed. I, for one, am feeling so much better than I was earlier in the week. So as the temperatures drop, there are so many germs out there. I'm making sure that my wellness arsenal is up to date. So I'm making sure that I'm as well and healthy as I can possibly be. So part of this is me taking baths. The other morning I woke up and actually for a couple of days I started feeling I wasn't feeling good at all. And I was like, you know what? Let me go get the things that I'll need in order to do an herbal bath. Because if I don't have to take medication, I don't like it. I'd rather try and do things as holistically possible and woo-woo as I can. The beginning of this video will be the vlogging process as I step into this vlogging lane and work on my little vlogging muscles and stuff. Then there's a second part of the video where by accident it turned out to be ASMR. And I say by accident because normally when I'm filming, I'm singing, I'm talking, I'm laughing, I'm doing all kind of stuff, but I was not feeling so good. Even during the filming, it's dead silent. And I didn't realize that until I was editing it. So I was like, okay, well, maybe this is a little something, something for those people who like ASMR. So a little something, something for y'all. This is the process of an herbal bath. I take a lot of baths. I like to get creative with my baths. Like I said, I'm a little woo, 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 woo. Have you ever had one? Do you like taking them? Let me know. Comment down below. Here we go.
These eucalyptus ones they look okay, but I already have a eucalyptus bath, but this is something that would be pretty, that I can include in the tub, but also not have to do too much cleanup, because that's what I'm looking for. I'm not trying to do too much cleanup in the tub, but I want a little bit of color because I like color and I spend a lot of time in the tub. So I'm trying to think or see which bouquet might be the best. So far I picked up this one, and I think that'll be a nice addition to my mint bath. Okay, so I just woke up this morning. It's really early. It's like 6 in the morning, and I feel like I got hit by a truck. So I know what to do. Herbal bath to the rescue. Okay, darling, so here is the part where I actually start to stimulate my body so that I can feel good and prep myself for the bath. And here I'm just combing my hair. And what I'm going to do is scratch my scalp. So I sped up the video a little bit so that I can show you the process of scratching my scalp, and it relieves tension and preps me so that I can relax in the tub. Next, I wrap my hair because I really don't want to get my hair wet. Thankfully, my tub is deep, but I like my tub full, so I still want to protect my hair as much as possible from any kind of wettage. Now it's time for my favorite beauty process, which is skin brushing. I have skin brushed for years, and as I prep for my tub, it does wonders in opening up my pores and rejuvenating my skin as I get ready to soak. So skin brushing for the win. I really hope my voice drowns out this loud fan that's over my head, but I need it for the light. I have skin brushed everywhere, and so now I'm going to slather myself in some coconut oil. You do not have to use coconut oil, but it needs to be any kind of oil that won't just immediately sink into your skin. I have very dry skin, so, and it's fall time, it's getting colder outside, so I need an oil that's gonna like sit on top of me. You can use olive oil, you can use canola oil, you can use sesame oil, any kind of oil you want, but you know, coconut oil happens to be handy and it's right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slather this all over my body before I get in the tub. So my version of oil bathing is to relax the muscles. It allows me to give myself a massage before I actually get in the tub so that I'm even more relaxed. Okay, so it's post-soak and I feel so much better. I got a lot of good sweating out. I sweat so much in the tub, actually so much that my eyes started burning. I'm gonna drink a lot of water and go ahead and get my day started, but being cautious to not go expose myself to the outside elements too much because my pores are open. So I'm gonna slather on some really nice thick cream and get my day started, and that's how I do an herbal bath. Make sure you like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a beautiful day. When you're done with your flowers, you can always put them and allow them to drain in your sink. You could actually use these, like just say for instance, if you want to take another bath tomorrow, or I don't know, sometimes I take two, but you still have stuff. But I would not necessarily reuse. I mean, if you're gonna take them maybe the same day, you can reuse these, but to still get the property, oh, they still smell really good and lavenderish. So yeah, there you have it.